there is a bit of good news, at least at the moment, if we can call it that, a silver lining, as more beds opened up today. So Kirti Vedi went to one of the schools in the national capital, which have now become a COVID facility, adding several more oxygen beds to the Delhi tally.
These corridors that you are seeing, the ones that we are walking through at this point of time, are the corridors of a Delhi government-run school on DDU Marg in Delhi. Schools across Delhi are shut at this point of time, but on a usual day, you will see hundreds and hundreds of students at this school. But now, as Delhi struggles with its COVID spike, struggles with the hospital infrastructure, this school has been divided into two zones. The area that we are standing on right now is the green zone. The other part is going to be the red zone, as can be seen on posters like these ones, as you can see. So it will be divided into two parts because this school, first school in Delhi to be turned into a COVID care center. One entire section of this school has now been converted into a COVID care center with 125 beds with oxygen facility. All of this being done through an organization called Doctors for You. Their medical teams will be helping in this entire setup over here. They are collaborating with the Delhi government. And this entire area where students would usually sing the national anthem, the school assemblies would go on, school functions would go on, little kids, students would be seen here on a usual day. But now it's meant for COVID patients. 125 beds with oxygen concentrators and cylinders, all of these facilities to ramp up Delhi's hospital infrastructure. I also have with me Dr. Anurag Mishra from the Doctors for You team, and we will speak to him for more. Sir, if you could explain all the arrangements being made in this entire facility and when will patients start coming in?
Okay, so we have designed this center to take care of mild cases, asymptomatic and mild cases. Those who require mild oxygen and some monitoring, so we can take care of these cases, and by that we'll be able to relieve the hospitals of the much needed beds for serious cases. So that's the plan. Here we have the basic amenities like beddings, food, washrooms and all those facilities. Also recreation facilities for patients. Along with that we have oxygen facilities. So we are giving in form of concentrators and oxygen cylinders, which you can see there.
Right. So each bed has one oxygen concentrator next to them.
So this oxygen concentrator is a dual channel oxygen concentrator which can provide oxygen to two patients in the same sitting. So between every two beds you will find one concentrator or one cylinder. The cylinder also we can use a Y channel and we can give it to two patients.
By when is this facility set to become functional?
So the work is on a war footing, and I think we are trying our best that we can take patient today evening itself. At the max tomorrow morning, this is our target.
Sir, this entire facility has been attached to the LNJP hospital.
Yes.
So the viewers who are watching this segment right now, many of them might prefer to be in this kind of facility, but can they come directly over here and can they take an admission here?
Yes. So anybody who gets COVID-like symptoms, I'm sure they all know now. By now, it's a huge educational activities going on, and they can go to any government facility. They can get just a paper made and get them referred to here who are mild cases. All the government facilities, especially LNJP hospital, they know which cases can be referred here, so they will refer you to this facility.
Right. Sir, how much is the, we've been seeing all these numbers of oxygen beds going down in Delhi, ventilator beds going down. So how is your organization, Doctors for You? What is the number of, staff that you will have here for 125 beds? What is the healthcare workforce here going to look like? How are they going to deal with this entire setup?
So we work on a very standard recommended guidelines. So for every 30 beds who requires monitoring and oxygen, we'll have one doctor, and for every 30 patients we'll have two nurses and two patient attendants and two hygiene technicians. This is the standard we follow in all our centers, and so this is what we'll follow here also.
And that would be a total of how many staff?
So here, let's say we have around 120 beds. So so we'll have around 4 doctors in each shift and 8 nurses in each shift. This is round the clock.
Right. And how many shifts are they divided into?
Two shifts, yes, morning and night, 12-hour shift each.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for speaking to us. So that is the setup here. So you can imagine what is the extent of this entire crisis. There are sports complexes, hotels, banquet halls across Delhi that have been converted into COVID care centers before, but now for the first time in Delhi, a school is being converted into a COVID care center. This hall where toddlers would be seen, where teenagers would be seen coming here for all their assemblies, everything is now converted into a place that would become a huge help for COVID patients and families struggling across Delhi at this point of time, running from pillar to post to struggle for each and every hospital bed. But now these 125 oxygen beds for them. So there are facilities in Delhi like this school, CWG complex, Yamuna Sports Complex, all of these being turned into COVID care centers to add an additional 1500 oxygen beds for Delhi. So at least 125 of those oxygen beds would be here at this facility. You would need a referral from a doctor in LNJP in order to come here. You cannot come here directly to get an admission. In New Delhi with camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.